Wish you had more motivation? You're going to learn how today. It's Cathy here. I'm with Weight Loss God's Way. And I'm covered up to my neck here because there's a whole lot of mosquitoes out here on my hike today. I'm on vacation for a week and Preston and I are hiking, one of the things we love to do. And as I was hiking, I was thinking back to day one. We're on day 3. And day 1 was so hard. It was so hard. My legs were hurting. I'm like, how am I going to do this? And each day things got a little bit easier. And so here we are, day 3, and I'm like, let's keep going. We can do 10 kilometers today. But that's what I want to talk to you about. And that's what I want to, that's really the secret. 1, just start. Just start. It's going to feel like I can't do this. I don't want to do this. The biggest part is starting. And once you start, that'll give you the inspiration you need to take the next step and the next step and the next step. I know it's nothing deep. It's nothing earth-shattering, but that really is how you build momentum. That is really how you find the motivation each day to keep on going. So today I want to encourage you, whatever that thing is in your health goal that it's like, oh, I wish I could do this. Whatever that is, do a little bit of it today. So if you said, oh, I wish I could exercise, could you start with walking for 1 minute? Oh, I wish I could eat healthier. Could you start by just eating an apple? That's it. One small thing. And that doing that one small thing is going to feel good, and it's going to give you the encouragement to say, hey, you know what? I can do this again tomorrow. And so that's really how you build success and motivation, is by starting and doing things one day at a time, one step at a time, one action at a time, one habit at a time. That's it. All right, so here's what my encouragement to you today is: to type in the chat and share what is that one thing that you wish you had more motivation to do. What is that one thing? And then break it down. How can you break that down into small steps? So what is a small step that you're going to do to get started on that? All right, so looking forward to hearing your share and your wins, because you will be successful. All right, I'm going to go start swatting some more mosquitoes. If you are blessed by what I'm sharing, go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you again. God bless you.
Hey, my friend, I pray that you are being blessed by the word that you're receiving. But there's more. It doesn't have to end here. Yes, you can go on YouTube and listen and keep listening to my videos. But if you really want to jump in, if you really want to make change, if you are desperately looking for something to help you achieve your healthy weight, I want to show you how we do it at Weight Loss God's Way. No gimmicks, no fads, no quick fixes. Solid Bible teaching, solid action steps, a solid plan to help you get there. So go right now, 5 days God's Way, and learn how to achieve your healthy weight God's way. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.